Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this video, I am Eyeshadow. You haven't subscribed my channel, go and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. First of all, I want to wish Happy Diwali to everyone. So today we are doing a traditional makeup look for the Diwali. Let's start the video. So first product I have Glam Moisturizer. So green tea flavor, daylight sunscreen. So like if you want to do second, I have sugar primer. So like every skin tone primer, we want this much to enough the whole face, cover this whole face. So like we will start. A shade number is VF014. Bottle I have. So you want to take in hand and directly, it's your choice. But I take in this palette, foundation palette. So I will take a larger amount, it's 1 or 2 pump hardly we will to get. It's enough this to hold face, you will coverage first.
For me, let's start with this. Don't forget to eyes. You want to make sure where it is your dark circles and you want to cover the whole face. It's your choice what you want to do. You want to blend with a brush or blend with a beauty blender. And you blend with both brush and beauty blender.
It's like small one, like you can bring anyone, any brand you want to, what you want to do. It's a blending. Next is eyelash TL09 loose powder. It is one of the best loose powder I just like. So I will use this one, cover my face whole.
Don't forget to clear the eyes. You want to put in proper way. You want to use hands, you can use hands, you can use a brush, you can use a brush. You want to use a beauty blender.
Viseart palette. This is a highlighting, blushing and contour palette. So I have like this. Look like this. This is a contour. This is a blushing and this is a highlighting. So this is a brush. This is a contour. And I will do like up and down. Don't forget to contour. This is the most important in the next is Too Faced blushing. Its palette is so cute. I just like, and this fragrance also like so awesome. I just like. So you want to apply on your apple cheeks. I just like most to use the blushing and highlighter is my most favorite part in makeup. Next is highlighting. It's the most favorite part of the makeup. So every girl like a highlighting face. So like I have a Becca's highlighting palette. So like this is the packaging of highlighting. So this is my favorite part of. जितना भी लगा उतना कम है. I like just love to apply. Sometimes I feel like my whole face I cover with highlighting only, but that is not possible. So like necessary area you can apply where you want to apply. Today I am using it Forever 52 eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. Like whole shade, I have nude shade, dark shades, like every shade I have. So I like it palette because I love to do nude eyeshadows. So I have many shades for nude and I have this shades also, and I want to use this shade today. I will do this shade and maybe this or this. I didn't decide it. And let's see which shade I'm using for the
First, I will do with the lighter shade of palette. This is only brown I should use. As I do lighter shade, and I use this and this, and mix the both shade, and I use this color in my eyes. Yes. So what we all let's start with the
Today I'm using a gel liner from Nepal. So you can use liquid liner gel and that is your choice what you want to use. But I'm using a gel because it's it's very easy to apply, and what you want to do just take in your hand, you can set your brush with properly. So I am setting my brush. Then I'm using start with between. So I will do. I don't know. I want to stick again. I don't know. If you want to make a wing, you can make a wing. If you want to do is normal. Each shade I'm using for my kajal. So brush ke piche wala jo hota hai, just putting it inside. And please, if you agar aapko zarura hai to karo, otherwise don't do. You can use a kajal also. I have my lashes, but I'm cutting them sides. So I cut because what is your eyes measure? So take a measure, then first, then you cut your lashes. ऐसे ना हो जाए कि ज़्यादा कट हो जाए. So properly, slowly cut करना. I will dry a little much. थोड़ा ड्राई करके लगाना तो वो इजीली चिपके, अदरवाइज वो निकल जाएगा. I done with my lashes, so I just put the proper way. So yes, that is like my eye makeup. I make looking so good, and lashes also looking good. So this one step is remaining. This is a lipstick. So I will go for the darker shade. So let's see which shade I'm using. I have a Maybelline lipstick I have. So one is 12, shade number is 50, 20, 80. So I'm thinking for going for this or either this. It's two shades. So like, let's see which lipstick I'm using. That blade lipstick shade number is 80. So I'm using this. You can directly apply. You want to use a brush, you can use your brush. But I'm using my brush. It's like a small brush.
Few moments later.
I'm done with my makeup. This is my Diwali look and this is my Diwali outfit. I hope so you like my video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So happy Diwali to all of you. You enjoy your Diwali and I will meet you in another video. Until then, bye bye.